If you're like me and you want to learn how to ice fish, watch this video. We're going to open some boxes and see if I ordered everything you need to get started. Let's go. Also, I'm dog sitting right now. This little bundle of joy, her name is Meatball. Meatball, do you want to get started? Time to pop into some boxes. First things first. Swedish pimple. Check that bad boy out. Got a couple of those. Not going to spend a bunch of time talking about them. I just know it's a very familiar name that I've heard a ton of times. Surprised that they ship that by itself. That seems a little odd. Shields, interesting way of shipping. Seems a little inefficient. Some Trigger X love bugs. Interesting, interesting. Is there anything else in here? Wow, Shields. You're putting everything by itself in individual bags. Interesting method. Interesting. There we go. There we go. These are some Rapala $5 fishing gloves. Now, they may not be perfect for ice fishing, but I thought they'd come in handy when I start catching some more slimy, scaly critters. So like I said, if you're a current ice fisherman and you notice something that I missed, drop a comment below on what I missed. That way, everybody that's watching this video that is new to ice fishing, such as myself, can read it, learn from you, and catch more fish. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. They put one thing in here, one little jig. I'm cutting into this dang bubble wrap for one jig. Tungsten jig. That was worth it. Another box. Let's see how many things are in this one. This is getting ridiculous, Shields. Getting ridiculous. Aha! They actually shipped 2 things in this box. And not only that, here's the most interesting thing thus far. Well, not this little tungsten jig. This is kind of lame. These bad boys. These little polar pick things, they are to keep me safe on the water. That way if I fall through, I'll have these around my neck. I can pull myself out from that cold water. That is very, you know, if you fall through, that is very severe. So you want to make sure you're taking as much precautionary measures as possible. So many boxes. Literally one order. And they're all from the same place. So many boxes. Oh! A fishing reel. Oh wait, ooh. Ooh. Another tungsten jig. Another tungsten jig. 4-pound ice fishing line. It's Suffix Ice Magic. Not sure if it's any good. Let me know below. Ooh. Hey there, bud. Just popped in the rod tube, got myself a fishing rod. I'm glad they were careful about this. I was actually really nervous that this thing would come in broken. Really, really lightweight, small little guy, got a lot of flex to it. But yeah, it's a Fraybill. Got the old Fraybill combo here. Beep, 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 beep. Looking forward to putting this bad boy to use. What's next? What's next? What could this be? One might wonder. Oh, did they really have to staple it all the way across? Oh, I got it open. It was probably not the best way to do it, but I did it. What do we have here? This is an Eskimo redneck chisel. What this is made for is for me to be able to check how thick the ice is. It's another safety thing. You know, I don't know what I'm doing. I've only walked on ice twice in my life, and both times have been within the last week and a half. I want to make sure that I'm being as safe as possible, so this will help me, I think. You know what this would be good for? This would be great for a zombie apocalypse. I mean, it's a nice blunt object, but it's got a little bit of a chiseled edge to where you could really jab a zombie square in the noggin and put him out of his misery. Next box. Whoa. Literally they sit this in its own box. This is just a little one of those little ice scraper, little like ice scooper things. Hello, Bobby. One more box. One might consider it the most important box. The cheapest ice auger that I could find, but it had great reviews. This is the Eskimo Ice Fishing Gear 6-inch hand auger. Let's pop it out and see what it looks like. Woo, child. That's dangerous right there. And here we have the handle. Okay guys, I know this video was a little different than the rest of my videos. Unboxings, personally, I'm not a huge fan, but I know a lot of people do like them, and I thought this would be actually kind of fun, and I did have fun, although I did kind of make a mess. Regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you thought. I guess the next video I'll make is probably me out on the ice catching a few fish. Hopefully catching fish, maybe getting skunked, I don't know, let's hope not. I'm rambling again. Make sure to subscribe if you have not already. I appreciate everybody's support. I hope you guys are having a great 2018 so far. Have you caught your first fish yet? Let me know. See you later.
Get offline and go outside.